problem number 7, section number 6. In the figure above, AB, CD, and EF intersect at P. So let's trace them. This is AB. This is CD. And EF. They intersect at point P. This is point P. If the measure of R is 90 degrees, this is R, this is 90. So this angle is 90. And S is 50. This is S, and this is 50. T is 60. This angle is 60 degrees. U is 45. And W is 50. What is the value of X? So we're looking for the value of X. We do not know what is this value. So let's begin here. If this is 50 and this angle is 60, the sum of the angles of this triangle should be 180. What, therefore, is the measure of this angle? That means 50 plus 60 plus what angle will give us 180 degrees? 180 because the sum of the angles of a triangle should be 180. So 50 plus 60 is 110 plus what number to get 180? So clearly it should be 70. So we therefore know that the measure of this angle is 70 degrees. Now let's look at this side of the triangle. We know that the sum of the angles of this triangle is also 180 degrees, and we know the two angles to be 50 and 45. So what should be the third angle so that the sum of these three angles is 180 degrees? So 50 plus 45 is 95 plus what in order to get 180? So we know the value here should be 85. So this angle P should be 85 degrees. Now look at this line. This is a straight line. Since this is a straight line, it follows that the measure of the angle on one side of that line should be 180 degrees. And I want you to notice that at this side of the line, you already know that this angle is 70, this angle is 85. We do not know what is the measure of this angle, but we know the sum of these three angles should be 180 degrees. So let's put it here. 85 plus this angle at the middle, which we do not know, plus this angle that measures 70 degrees should be equal to 180. So 85 plus 70 is 155 plus what angle equals 180? So we know we still need 25 for here. So we know this is 25. Now, using the vertical angle theorem, notice that this side and this other line segment, they form vertical angles. This is 25 degrees. It follows that this is also 25 degrees. And looking now at this triangle, looking now at this right triangle, we know this angle is 90 degrees. This angle is 25 because that is vertical to this angle which we have just computed to be 25 degrees. So plus 25 plus this angle whose measure is x degrees equals 180 degrees. Why 180? Because the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180. So 90 plus 25 is 115 degrees plus x equals 180. So what therefore should be the value of x? X should be 180 minus 115 degrees, and that gives us 65. So our answer is letter C.